Hello, everybody. I wanted to share with you the Fun Stampers Journey promotion for April, and they're calling it the Splish Splash Sparkle promotion. And it is basically all of the silks and the splashes are 20% off. So let me show you what those are. So splashes have the nozzle and they spray the color on, which you can do, just a quick spritz, or you can really cover a page with them. They're very pretty. And here's, you can see a little better here what you can do with them. And then the silks are, you're going to, they have a little brush to them instead of a nozzle. And you can flick them on, the color on, or you can, let me get a piece of paper. Let me just get this little sticky note. You can splash them on like I've done in several videos. Just flick them on like that, and they come in all different colors. You can paint them on if you have a surface that you just want that little shiny color on. There's a clear one too. So if you wanted to make the center of a flower or a little eye on a character or something, if you want to paint just a little bit of that clear sparkle, that looks really cute also. But I use these all the time, these silks. So let me tell you, the silks, you can see all these different colors here, and they've added 3 more. They've added a black, a white, let me make sure I get the colors right, and something they call beach ball, which is another blue. You can see they've got this little light blue here and kind of this teal color, and then they've added another more truer blue to the set. And the splashes come in these colors right here. Names like Watermelon Fusion, Sweet Berry, Citrus Cooler, Pineapple Smoothie. I mean, they've just got a lot of colors. And these colors are based off of the colors, the color families the Fun Stampers Journey has. So you can get, the ink pads, you can get re-inkers, cardstock, and then some of them have silks and some of them have splashes that match. And so that's really nice when you're doing a project to have these colors that coordinate, or at least in the same color family, so things will match up. Okay, so let me tell you what it is. So the splashes, which are the nozzle spray color, they are $7.95 normally. So on sale for 20% off, they're $6.36. Now, because I'm a Journey coach, I get another 20% off this $6.36 price, so which is really nice. And then the silks, which are the little, look like nail polish bottles, those are normally $5.95 and they would be $4.76 a piece. So this is a great time to stock up on these, or try if you've been meaning to try them and you just haven't gotten around to it. So I'm going to be filling in. You can see I have a lot of empty spaces. So I'm going to be filling in a few of those colors that I just haven't gotten around to getting because there's so many cute stamp sets and die sets, and I don't want to get too carried away with my budget. I want to get the most important things to me, but these silks have been on my wish list, so I'm definitely going to get some of those. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I will link below to how you can order these to my shopping site with Fun Stampers Journey, and you'll see at the top promotions, join the team, all those different things. So you can check out all the things Fun Stampers Journey has to offer. Thank you so much, everybody, and happy crafting.